Sharifa just nailed it, and we are here on day 10 from the Charlie's Advent Calendar. 24 days of Christmas, one nail at a time. Today we get to pull envelope number 10 and see what awaits us inside. Let me get my scissors out. And today we have water decals. Wow. I'm a little stumped. They don't look Christmassy at all. There's butterflies and ouch. I thought everything was going to be Christmassy. So, here's what we got. These are our water decals for December 10th. Let me get the scissors back out. I got a palette here. Let's see, which design shall we pick? They are all butterfly related. I think I'm going to pick this one right here. I've got me a nail here on the side. I think that would look really cool in the center. I do need to decide what color polish. I think I might just go with the black and white. You'll go with white polish since this is a black and white design, I guess. This really threw me, the butterflies. I didn't expect butterflies. Oops. I didn't expect butterflies in December. Now, ladies and gents, I'm gonna trim my decal here. And what you should really do, let me, rule of thumb, score your decals. Your nails are not flat, they are curved no matter what you say. And you need this to bend according to those nails. So score around the decal. Okay, we're good to go. Let me get, oh, I better paint my nail. The base coat I'm going to be using is by Pucci. Sorry, I'm dropping things over here. This is Pucci. It's a sister company to Umic in the UK. You can find them on Amazon. Since this is a smaller nail, I'm going to wipe my brush out real good. I don't need a lot of product. So we're now going to pop said nail into the lamp. Give it a quick little cure. Alrighty, I thought I wanted to do black and white. I think I'm going to use this Springlicious color. The number is gone, unfortunately, but it is by Deep in a Bottle. Love this color. So we're going to do a pink and black design. So this is the pink we're going to use. Gonna pop her in the lamp. Alrighty, we are back. We have us a nice, pretty, and pink nail. I got my Ice Cube stamper from Maniology. I don't believe I just did what I did. Nobody called me out on it either. So let's line this up. We have got a wrinkled decal that isn't even on straight. be crooked. We have a crooked nail, or a crooked decal. Oh, I'm so bummed. So bummed. I'm gonna top coat said decal, said nail. Take some of the excess off. Way too much. Then, give me a couple black stones here. That I'm going to put at the top of the nail. Whoopsie. Trying to make sure my gems are straight. Here we go. I'm going to pump this baby in the lamp, give it a full 60-second cure, and we will be back. Alrighty, we are back and fresh out of the lamp. Here we go with our one pink nail with our water decal from Charlie's Nail Art. And you can run right over there, purchase every goodie you've seen so far this month in December. charliesnailart.co.uk. You may use my ambassador code Nailed it 10 to save yourself 10% off. And again, this was day 10, our water decals. And we will see you tomorrow. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.